Hello YouTube. Today my video is going to be about my antenna. I usually set this up on a 46-foot mast, but this would be kind of a pain. The wind. Hopefully wind in Minnesota. Hopefully we don't have too much wind noise here. I'm guessing it probably is really bad. If not, I'll have to redo this video. Maybe if it is bad. Anyway, I set this up kind of strange. I set my end-fed half wave up on these 10-foot, 1.5-inch PVC poles. Underneath them is just a regular fence post, T-post they call it, for farm animals, that type of thing. So anyway, this is a ZS6BKW G5RV style antenna. This should not be by all rights work, but it does. It's amazing. I'm pushing 400 watts through this thing and I'm not getting any faults. Getting good reception, lower noise, and I can pretty much reach anybody. The two bands I've tried is 20 and 40, and it's been working great. Tunes up great. Again, like I said, I'm not getting any load faults on my amplifier, so that's great. Completely horizontal, even the feed line here, up to the coax that comes to feed it. And I see one of my caps blew off. I'm probably going to either have to glue it back on or probably just put a small screw through it to keep it on. Looks like the rest of my caps stayed on. The other end I used my swing set, which has got my UHF antenna on it, and as an anchor for one end. Other than that, I just have it staked to the ground with some fence post, and I'll have to probably put some flags on this so nobody comes across here and clotheslines himself, but this private property, they shouldn't be on it anyway. So there we go. Like I said, by all rights this should not work, but it works great. I laid it on the ground right here before and tried it on the ground. I actually was receiving not as well, but once I moved it up 10 feet, it really, I'm getting good reception, fantastic reception. And again, people are hearing me. In fact, a lot of the people I talk to quite often says they've never heard me better, so I'm pretty happy with it. And it should be pretty low maintenance off the ground. I can take a stick and beat the ice off of it or snow off of it as it settles on it. But hey, thanks for watching. You guys have a great day. Goodbye.